You want to buy a house. You know you need a down payment, but every time you look at real estate listings, it feels impossible. So you keep renting, month after month. $1,200, $1,500, or $1,800 disappears from your bank account and goes straight to a landlord. And while you pay that rent, the down payment target stays the same. $40,000, $50,000, maybe $60,000. The sheer size of that number feels overwhelming compared to the predictable rhythm of your monthly rent. Just hoping you will accidentally save enough money while paying a landlord is a strategy that guarantees you will keep renting. Instead, we are going to use an exact step-by-step system to save for that house, and it starts with finding your monthly number. Treating a down payment as one massive single lump sum makes it feel out of reach. Breaking it down into a monthly system changes the goal from a vague wish into a measurable progress bar. Step 1. Pick your real down payment target. Most people assume they are legally required to put down 20% to buy a house. That is not always true. This compares two paths. Right, a traditional 20% down payment. Left, an FHA loan allows 3.5% down. The trade-off is PMI. This extra monthly fee covers lender risk and stays on your bill until equity reaches 20%. 20% means lower monthly payments. 3.5% gets you through the front door years sooner. Pick the percentage that matches your timeline and physically write that target down. Step 2. Open a dedicated down payment account. Ideally, you want a high-yield savings account, which simply means a bank account that pays you a higher interest rate on your cash. This money must live far away from your regular checking account. Money sitting in the exact same place you pay for your groceries and gas will accidentally get spent. Defining a realistic target and isolating those funds builds the structural foundation of your savings engine. It protects your future home from the friction of daily expenses. Step 3. Calculate the exact monthly dollar amount needed to hit your target. This is the formula. Divide a $40,000 target by 36 months, and you need $1,111 a month. If that is too high, extending the timeline and dividing the exact same goal across 60 months shrinks the monthly burden significantly. The math will always tell you what is realistic. Pick the combination of timeline and amount that you can comfortably sustain month after month. Step 4. Automate the transfer of that exact monthly number. This requires a change in perspective. You do not wake up and decide whether or not to pay your utility bill. You have to treat this savings transfer with that exact same non-negotiable priority. Set your bank account to automatically move this money every single payday. It goes out before the rest of the month begins and before you ever see it in your available balance. Automation takes the recurring choice out of the process. Instead of needing the motivation to move money every single month, the system handles the logistics for you. Step 5. Stack your windfalls to accelerate your timeline. A windfall is any extra cash you did not plan for, a tax refund, a bonus at work, or the cash from selling a bike you no longer use. Every extra dollar that is not budgeted for essentials goes straight into the house fund. This chart tracks steady monthly progress. Watch a $1,200 tax refund drop in. That windfall wipes over a month off your calendar. This system in practice, a clear target, monthly auto transfers, and stacked windfalls completes a $40,000 fund in under 4 years. You do not need a sudden windfall or a massive raise to get started. The plan just needs to exist. Home ownership is closer than it appears. Drop a comment below. What is your target down payment and your timeline? Let's make the math real. This is educational content, not financial advice. Mortgage requirements vary by lender and location. Consult a qualified professional for guidance specific to your situation.